How do you make text in Canva to be blurry? Well, it is not possible, at least not directly. Even though Canva appears to have everything, there are some editing techniques or editing features that are not available, especially for text. While you can make image to be blurry, you can edit the image and you can apply some blurry effect to it. The same cannot be said for a regular text, and it's quite embarrassing since this editing tool seems to have a lot of things except for blurring text. So how do you make this regular text to be blurry? Well, it's quite simple. You have to turn the text to be an image. Now what I need to do is I'm going to duplicate this page and I'm going to remove the background. The text is still here, and visit share, click download, select the file type to be PNG. Make sure to enable transparent background and select the page that you want to download. In this case, I want to select the page number 2, which contains the text that I'm going to turn into an image. Click done and click download. Now Canva will give you the text that essentially going to be has been turned into an image. Now I'm going to upload the image to my Canva account, to my Canva design, and let me remove this page. This is no longer necessary. You can drag and drop the image. You can also manually just click on the image on your computer, on the text image, and you can paste it directly on your Canva design. That is also a quick way to do that. So now I have this image slash text. This is technically an image that contains the text that I want to turn into a blurry effect. So let me put the actual text at the bottom, and this is the image. And let me make it bigger, and I want to crop the image as well because there are some empty areas that are not needed. Okay, double click again. Okay, now we have essentially the same element, the same visual content. One of them is real text, but the other is just an image. So to turn this text to be blurry, you must click on it, click edit image, and on the effect section click blur, and you want to apply it to the whole image. You can also select brush if you want to apply the blurry effect on certain area of the text, but I want to apply it to the whole image, the whole text. And let me increase the intensity to be around 60. I think that's pretty good. Let's go back, and this is the result. Now we got blurry text on Canva, and that's exactly how you can apply this effect, even though Canva doesn't technically have a dedicated blurry effect for text. Anyway, I hope you find this video helpful.